Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the batteries and any cable, then flip the controller and loosen the 5 Torx screws. This exposes the shell without delay. Once done, pry the back gently with a spudger so clips release without snapping. Make sure to keep screws grouped by hole and photograph screw lengths. This prevents reassembly errors. You're making room to access the RB area, and keeping parts organized will save time and stop mistakes later. You now disconnect the ribbon and battery connectors so there's no power to the board, then remove screws securing the RB housing. This frees the trigger assembly for safe removal. Once the PCB is lifted, inspect clip points and springs so you understand how the old part sits. This prevents misalignment on install. Carefully unclip or desolder the RB switch, keeping note of polarity and the small spring. You fit the new RB switch into the housing, ensuring the spring and actuator sit exactly like the original so travel and click behavior match. Once seated, reconnect ribbons and the battery, but only close the shell loosely to allow functional testing. This helps you confirm the button registers before final tightening. If the RB doesn't register, check ribbon seating, switch orientation, and solder joints, reflow or reseat as required. Then finish tightening screws evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.